This is a 36 volt golf cart battery. This is the main negative lead. You want to have the high current cable touching the bottom and the small eyelet above it. This pink wire goes to the output of the ignition switch, whatever the ignition switch was powered. The red wire goes directly to the ignition switch, and when the key is on, should have a positive 36 volts. You want to power up your two main wires, turn the key on, and measure the wire coming out of the ignition switch. If it's positive with the key on and no power with the key off, that's what you connect the red wire to. The wire that normally would be coming out of the key is the pink wire. Main positive, we're going to have the terminal at the bottom, the main high current terminal, and then there's two smaller terminals above it. So far we've only covered 4 wires. The last 2 wires are the charging wires. Could be grid charging or solar charging. Could go right to these. This is the charging fuse. It should be fused at whatever the solar system or charging system is rated for, no higher than 20 amp. Recommended. It can handle more. These are additional 3 amp fuses that just protect power going to the battery management system. And these are the 2 relays, the run relay and the charge relay. If the run relay is on, that means you should be getting power out of this wire, and the cart should be on. If the charging relay is on, that means the charger is connected to the battery. If the charging relay is off, the charger is not connected to the battery. That's the basics of it. There's an emergency system I've designed in here where this fused red wire, if you connect it to the white, you force it into run mode, and that's like having the ignition on. It's a bypass. And if you connect the red to the orange, that forces it into charge mode, and you should be able to charge.